Ho, ho, ho! Hello there! Well, today we have a new book for you, a Donald Zolan Christmas book. You can see it right here, and it's by Donald Zolan. Now, this is a very interesting book, and I won't read the front part because it's a little too long, but maybe we'll read a section or so in the back. The front part. Oh, and I should say, painting and text by Donald Zolan, poems by Catherine Trotty. And the front of the book, if you can see, is will be all about his life growing up at Christmas time with some very beautiful pictures. You might like those. Now, he was also an artist that illustrated paintings. Well, it's some very beautiful pictures. But he also did artwork on children and kids' drawings and paintings. And that's where we're going to go to the back of the book, where those are. And as you can see, some of his drawings of children are very beautiful. Different displays. Little kids in snowy outfits and going to sleep. We might read this one right here, Christmas Kitten. But as you can see, he does fantastic illustrations for artwork. So in line with that, I think we'll go to one back here that is Christmas Kitten. Here's my Christmas kitten nestled next to me, high up on my big soft bed, as cozy as can be. She's small and white and fast asleep, yet I can hear her purr. I like to nuzzle my warm cheek against her fluffy fur. She has her tiny paw and head settled on my hand. She seems to know she's safe with me in our bedtime land. She is a Christmas present, the best gift of the day. We'll have weeks and months and years to cuddle and to play. Oh. Maybe we'll look at just one more. There's several in here, and I won't read them all because it would take a lot of time. And before, you'd have to go to bed if you're reading this at night. The other one is Candlelight Magic. It's the night before Christmas, and I look what I found. Mommy just brought out our angel go round. I love how it tinkles, I love how it turns, how the angels keep dancing as each candle burns. They're just baby angels with new baby wings. I don't think they fly yet. They're such little things. They're all blowing horns and turning, and they'll do it as long as the candles keep burning. I'm standing on tiptoes, not making a sound, just watching and hearing our angel go round. Can you see that? Like I said, they're very beautiful pictures, and you can apparently buy them as plates as well. So that's another Christmas time book to look into. I'm sure you'll enjoy it very much. Well,